Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can vectorize a PNG in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here you're gonna find the option to start a new project. Right here you can open a project from your computer. Here you're gonna find your templates and right here you're gonna find install Photopea. Go ahead and click on new project. Once you do that, you're gonna be right here. So here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some ready templates. And right here, as you can see guys, you can choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, and also the DPI. And right here, you can choose a background color for your projects. Right here in the bottom, you're gonna find the option to choose a size for your image. For example, I'm gonna go to screen and then I'm going to click on this one for example and then click on create. So once you click on create, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here in this page, you're going to find all of the tools that you need in order to customize your image. So right now I'm going to click on file and then click on open, and then I'm going to search for my PNG. So I'm going to choose this one, and as you can see guys, now I added the PNG. Once you add it, if you want to go and adjust some settings for this picture, just go to image. Then right here, you're going to find adjustments. Here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these options. And right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find Vectorize bitmap. Go ahead and click on it. And then as you can see guys from here, you can vectorize easily your PNG. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.